Leila sits on the couch with her fiancé and looks at photos.
My name is Leila, born and raised in the Midwest. My background is international business within entertainment, so I negotiate contract deals. I'm very, very close with my family. My fiancé and I, a couple of years ago, decided that we wanted to get our family members Echo Dots so we could connect with them and just to be able to jump in, say hi, and jump out. I don't know what my mom did right in her life, but she never uses a timer, never needs it. Everything that she pulls out of the oven or off the stove is amazing. I always try to emulate that, and it never ends up happening. I'm the one who burns the garlic bread, I burn the pizza. So we'll use Alexa to keep me intact with reality by setting timers. My parents are amazing. They really raised us as a unit, and it shows within our bond. I do have an intense work schedule, so having a device that is accessible at my home is extremely powerful because it allows me to focus on my career and what I need to do, but still feel connected with my family and friends. I think that's such a powerful tool.
Share your story. Alexa Stories at Amazon.com.